Welcome to a channel where knowledge sparks wonder, and each discovery unlocks a gateway to new horizons. The one food that never expires. And it's not what you think. Did you know that there is one food that can last forever? Yes, you read that right. Honey is the only food that doesn't spoil, making it a natural wonder that has been fascinating humans for centuries. From its unique properties to its incredible shelf life, learn more about the amazing world of honey and why it's the one food that lasts forever. Honey can last for an incredibly long time if stored properly. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Let's dig a little deeper into the science behind honey's incredible longevity. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Bees play a huge role in honey's preservation. A pound honey is made by 2 million flower visits. The bees fly 55,000 miles back and forth to bring that honey. A honeybee visits 50 to 100 flowers. Worker bees use their straw-like tongues to suck nectar from flowers and store it in their stomachs. The nectar mixes with enzymes in the bee's body, breaking down sucrose into glucose and fructose molecules. The bees also pass the nectar to other bees, who chew on it for about 30 minutes to reduce the humidity from 70% to 20%. These enzymatic digestions change the nectar's chemical characteristics and make it ready for storage. The bees deposit the nectar into the honeycomb, which acts like a jar made of wax. The honeycomb's design and the bees' constant fanning with their wings help evaporate water from the nectar, concentrating the sugars and turning it into honey. Nectar is about 80% water, while honey is only about 17 to 18% water, so this process can take some time. Here is the chemical composition of honey. Honey is also naturally extremely acidic. It has a pH that falls between 3 and 4.5, approximately, and that acid will kill off almost anything that wants to grow there. The water content of honey is a key factor in why it doesn't spoil. At 17%, its water content is much lower than that of bacteria or fungi. Honey also has a low water activity. Remember that honey stored in sealed containers can remain stable for decades and even centuries. This is due to the sugar content and low pH of honey, as well as the honey-making process by bees, which create an environment where organisms that spoil food cannot survive. Honey has been used for centuries not only as a sweetener but also in traditional medicine. It's nature's remedy for sore throats, coughs, and even skin ailments. What about you? Have you ever tried honey that's been sitting around for ages, or do you have any favorite honey recipes? Drop your experiences in the comments below. And if you're curious about more cool facts, check out our next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button. See you next time.